What's up, everybody? Coming up, Tesla Model 3 clear bra install, South Orange County, so stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, it's on there. I had a little trouble getting it on, but you know, this stuff is pretty forgiving, so just waiting for these corners to dry. Yeah, everything's on there. Gonna wrap the edges all the way around. There's something in the paint right here, but I'll have to work that out. But yeah, that's it. Anyways, got this hood about done. Just got to wrap the edges and start the bumper after that. So stay tuned. We're going to do the trunk ledge right here. Protect from getting things out of the trunk. Pretty easy, straightforward. All right, let's do this. Got it. It's hot out here. So the trunk ledge just goes to right here. See that? And it goes to about right there. To right there. And it rolls under. Or rolls over, rather. Cool. well, that's a wrap. All done here. Let me show you up close. We got the wrapped edges right there. The kit comes with the seam. You can barely see it right here. Can't even see it. Hand cut all these. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, all done. Got the hood completely done. So the corners up here, I cut a little bit. Just so it can wrap and sit nicely on there. Got the mirrors done. There's a seam right there. So yeah, looks pretty good. So that's about it. Just gotta load everything up, go home. Got a date night with the wife tonight. Looking forward to that. It is so hot, man. So hot. And humid. It's gotta be 100 at least. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you like it. And I'll see you on the next one.